Hello everybody. Today we are doing some unboxings.
Hello, Cadence.
Hello, I have small scissors. Let's cut it open.
What do we got today, Caden?
Unboxing.
And now if you notice, we're outside again. It's a little bit hot. Not
Planes flying right over us.
We got planes flying over us again.
Again.
But our inside has a bunch of people.
Screaming, so. It's better
People with loud televisions.
Bartels Beard Company.
Ooh, what is that?
It's at Market ST. Oh wait, I think I'm reading
Ooh,
off.
look at this. Very nice.
Very, very interesting.
Very cool. What is it?
Give me a minute. Oh no, we have more. Where's the open? Okay. Alright, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I got it. How'd you do that so easy?
Because I'm smart with scissors. Okay, what is it, Caden?
It's a Bartels Beard Savage. It's a clown saying, "Help me."
Savage, huh?
It's a savage.
And then what is this one?
Another Mungy's Carnival of Chaos.
Mungy.
Mungy? Who's Mungy?
Mungy is that clown. You've never seen this clown?
Nope.
He's a scary clown. He goes on, he's actually a character that we know. He goes on live streams with Joe and with Bartels Beard. And they created a line, and he's like he does movies and like appearances and things as a clown. A killer clown.
It smells good.
What does it smell like?
I don't know, but it smells good. It smells,
Oh,
wow.
It does smell really good.
It does. A lot of cars are driving by right now.
Well, it's all the cars driving by.
It's all of our cars driving by with loud big trucks.
Okay, here's another one. Holy moly, this is really good.
It's the Mungy's Carnival of Chaos.
Oh my gosh, that's good. Holy moly, that's good.
Oh, you're gonna like that. It's fruit. Pretty fruity.
Fruity, fruity. Didn't shake it.
And then shake it.
Oh, that is a good one too.
It's fruity.
That is really good. Which one do you like better? No,
I'd say maybe that one.
You like that one better?
That one just has some scent to it that makes it kind of like.
Yeah, that's
different.
a good fruity one. And then
Ginger
this one, I
tea.
like this one too a lot as well. It's like a cologne-y kind of, like has almost like a cologne vibe.
Yes, it is.
I love that.
Now we're at Copper Jones.
Papa Jones.
I think this is just an easy cut from the top.
See, we gave him like safety scissors.
I gave myself safety scissors because one of these days I'm gonna cut my fingers off.
Oh, what is that again?
Appreciation. Ooh, it's another fish
It's
hook.
another fish hook. What do they call it, Caden?
A fly hook.
A fly, and it's called a Copper John.
It's Copper John.
Very cool.
And we got a beard oil.
Yeah, so I ordered this.
And we got a Yayi. I made it!
Oh, it's standing up. And the bottle and the thing is still standing.
I don't know what that's from.
And the flowers are still standing. It's from Ghostbusters.
You still have to give me another minute. Go do what you did. You did something smart. I
Went
never.
from the bottom now.
I go from the top. The top's easier.
Just have to hold it because the oil will fall out.
Almost cut my finger off.
These are safety scissors, and he's having a. There you go. There you go.
I'm throwing a lot of stuff in the ground. I'm gonna pick it up later.
Do you know, this is how he gets chore money, is that he just throws a mess on the ground and then he goes and collects it afterwards.
Well, that isn't what I do. You need to think. You need to think about this, though. I have 2 brothers in this house who invite friends.
That is true.
That's how I get my money.
You just wait for people to get messes. Oh, come on in. Make a big mess. Give me 20 bucks. Come on, friends. Give me 20 bucks.
Hey, Mom offered this time.
Yes, because she said she felt bad because I was telling you off about the dishes.
Well, Nightfall cologne. I'm making Nightfall cologne.
Nightfall.
If it's named after cologne, this is gonna be very cologne. I've never seen a cologne named after cologne.
Okay, well, it's called Nightfall Cologne. What did you say to that? What do you think?
It actually smells really good. It's cologne.
Oh,
Like
see, this is one of my friends' like top 5 cologne scents. Oh, that is nice.
Cologne.
Yeah, that's totally cologne.
With another
It's like a clean cologne. Yeah, it's like a soapy cologne. It's really
I told
good.
You, it's cologne.
It's very nice. Very nice.
It says thank you.
What are you doing with thank you? Oh, it's just an invoice.
It's an invoice. Yeah.
It's an invoice. Oh, how very exciting.
How very exciting.
This is a very interesting thing. If you want to read that, you can read that to him again.
Thank you for your purchase. It won't be long until your beard thanks you for buying Copper Johns. Our company's name is inspired by one of the, if not the most popular fly fishing flies in our country. While not a complicated fly by any means, its pattern is somewhat involved and has a lot of parts. One of the reasons why the Copper John works so well is because of its heavily weighted underbody and bedhead. The fly was originally designed by John Barr as a heavily weighted dropper pattern to drag down a smaller fly fish in tandem. It turns out that the fish love the Copper John for what it is, and they eat it as eagerly as the dropper. Your beard, you will love our product like fish love the Copper John. As a family-owned company, Copper John's Beard Company is committed to taking you on a journey to create your perfect beard through our quality ingredients and scents. Our speciality formulated oil and butter will make you and your beard look healthy, made, and wise.
Very good, very good.
Yes.
Okay, Kaden. Well, that's all for today. But Mungy line, he has a CBD and a regular line, so go check out his CBD as well as the regular, but these are both looking amazing. Okay, let's go read the ingredients really quick.
Okay. Ingredients: argan oil, jojoba oil, meadowfoam oil, rosehip oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, fragrances.
And then what's on the side? Read the
Scent profile: driftwood, blood orange, tonka bean, bergamot, lemon zest.
yeah. See, that's the tonka bean. I think gives it the cologne kind of smell.
Scent profile: fried Twinkie, caramel apple, smoked vanilla, Sour Patch Kids.
Oh, Sour Patch
Ingredients:
Kids.
argan oil, jojoba oil, metafoam oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, fragrances.
And essential fragrances.
Essential
What does this say?
Ingredients: jojoba oil, metafoam oil, argan oil, coconut oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, apricot oil, castor oil, vitamin E, lanonic, inland sea minerals, essential oils.
Ionic.
And for the
Scent profile.
and there's no scent.
Okay, so no scent profile. But I think that's kind of cool. Ooh, we almost lost its scent. We almost lost a scent. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, well, thanks for joining us on our unboxing. This is Caden's favorite thing to do.
I know. I ended it right as I was about to say it. I know. I ended it right as I was about to say it.
Well, guess who's gonna come get you?
Oh. No.
Mungy! Mungy will come and eat you.
Want me to say it?
What?
Do you want me to say it?
Say what?
Do you dare me to say it?
No, I don't dare you to say it.
I'm joking. You thought.
Okay, well, we'll see you guys later. Thank you.
What's up?
Is that? That's your dance? Your hand dance?
You don't question me! You don't question me!
Okay, well, after we saw that dance, we now have to leave.
Dance, dance, dance.